Hello?
Hi, Steven.
Yeah.
Steven. Hello, Steven.
Yeah, hello?
Hello, Steven. This is Jeffrey, Chrissy's husband. This is the gentleman that ordered the food.
Right.
Listen, we got a problem, bud. You're going the wrong way. You're on the opposite side of Cranston, and the food's going to be cold, so just drive it back to the restaurant and return it, okay?
I'm heading your way now.
No, you're all the way near Western Hills, and we ordered cellos, buddy. You went to we ordered Applebee's, and we're right around the corner. We're up the road from Reservoir, and you went all the way up near Cranston West and Western Hills and all the way around. The food's going to be cold. We've been watching you drive. You're going the wrong way.
Yeah, and I turned around.
You turned around at Western Hills, buddy. You went 20 minutes out of the way. The food's going to be cold. Just return it to the restaurant. I'm not paying for cold food because of your mistake. I'm sorry. It's your job to deliver the food correctly, and unfortunately you made a mistake, so I'm not paying for it.
Okay.
Okay, bye-bye.